Pranam everybody, welcome back again to Bhajan Mix. The reason why I have given this name Bhajan Mix is because those who know me actually know that I am very fond of different kinds of bhajans. I don't like one particular type of bhajan. So if anybody has attended any of my bhajan sessions, they'll know I will sometimes sing Gurbani. I will kind of sing I'll sing unplugged. I'll sing Hindi. I'll sing Sindhi and different kinds of music on maybe guitar, on keyboard, and soothing, and then loud, all kinds of bhajans. That's something that I really love. That's the reason I was actually searching for a name. I couldn't come up with anything, and then I thought I will name it as Bhajan Mix, because it is not that there's a certain kind of line of bhajans that I will follow. Today again I've taken one Punjabi bhajan. It is not from Gurbani. It's just dedicated to our Guru, a spiritual master. Then there's Hindi bhajan, and then there's again one from our Sadhu Vaswani family's request. That is Dadi Jir Mere Yaar Lagaindo. So there are three different types of bhajans in this session. I also have a couple of ideas in my mind. I was thinking after a few days maybe we can come together and do a mantra chanting session in which I will choose maybe 3 to 5 mantras. We can chant it together 21 times. I'll sing from your a specific, a very soothing kind of tune. You can repeat at your homes, assuming that this half an hour we are actually shutting away the entire world, and this is the time when we actually coming together. There are not many people who know me because I don't do public shows. I just do it in small groups, but mostly what I'm assuming is all the people who are watching this are people who actually have met me personally. I know that they are actually taking out these 30 minutes to actually pray and not just enjoy the session. Enjoyment, we have so many other things to do, and we have variety of videos, but this session I really request you all to forget everything and listen to I usually choose bhajans that have a lot of longing in them. The feeling of longing is something that is that pulls me. Bhajans, songs, everything that have that devotion, that feeling of longing is something that pulls me, that attracts me. That's the reason I usually choose those kind of songs. I have taken meditation sessions for many years now, maybe 10 to 14 years, and I guess. And then I started singing bhajans. I have not learned anything. I have no idea of what is sur. I have no idea of what is tal. It's just that I used to love listening to bhajans. I started singing them and it just came out very naturally. I do have friends who guide me on my scale, because that's all that I want to know. I have no idea about what is rag or anything. This is just a small intro that I want to give to everybody, because I really don't want anybody to judge my singing. My only aim is to share my bhajans, because I really have a lot of collection and lovely bhajans. I want them to reach as many people as possible. That's my only aim. Please don't judge my singing. Please don't judge my voice quality. Please don't judge my tal, my sur. I have no idea about anything, and I really want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart, because in spite of not knowing anything, my voice has been accepted by so many people, and it just humbles me. Thank you so much. Today there are 3 bhajans. One as requested by Sadhu Vaswani family here in Ulasnagar. Second is a Punjabi. Third is a Hindi bhajan. We will start again with the prayer, Ganesh Vandan, as we always do. Then a Hindi, a Sindhi and everything. Mantra chanting, I was thinking we might do it either on Monday or Tuesday, mostly. The reason I'm taking so many days is because I don't shoot from my mobile phone, because shooting from a mobile phone is very easy. I have different kinds of softwares which kind of make the video more pleasing, sound more pleasing. The reason I'm doing all this is because I really understand that there are so many videos that are coming up these days, and such beautiful videos. I mean, and I really feel that if I don't do a good job, there's no point uploading a video. That's the reason I'm learning new techniques, and gradually I'll keep improving, because I totally understand this will continue for a couple of months more. We'll have to do it from our houses. So I am learning different techniques. Once I'm very comfortable with all of it, we'll definitely increase the frequency. But the only reason I'm delaying things a bit is because I really want the video to be a little pleasing, sounding good. Because again, there is wonderful content online. I mean, why would anybody watch any content that doesn't look good or sound good? If we are putting up video, we should make it a point. We should do it in a nice way. That's my only purpose, and I promise I will increase the frequency. I'm getting so many messages. Every morning there are at least a few people who message me and they tell me, is there bhajan today? Is there bhajan session today? Is there bhajan video today? Thank you so much. I will increase the frequency. Thank you so much. Let's begin. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kuru me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Kayena Vacha Manasendriyarva Buddhyatmana va Prakrite Swabhava Karomi adya Sakalam Parasmai Narayanaayeti Samarpayami Guruvarayeti Samarpayami Narayanaayeti Samarpayami. I will speak about the song that's coming up next, before every bhajan that comes in. This one is Adi Jhirmer Yaar Lagai Tho. We all know how much Dada used to love this. We all know how much the entire Sangat of Sadhu Aswani Mission loves this. I mean, if Kajal Di was to sing this, 100 times a day, I think we would still request her to sing for the 10, first time, whatever, 101th time or 101st time, I don't know. But yeah, we would, there's never enough of this bhajan. So yeah, this was requested last time. Here is Dadi Jhirmir Yaar Lagayi Tho. Suran mein bhista Vadayi Tho Suran mein bhista Vadayi Tho Dadi Jhirmir Yaar Lagayi Tho Dadi Jhirmir Yaar Lagayi Tho Dadi Jhirmir Yaar Lagayi Tho Suran mein bhista Vadayi Tho Suran mein bhista Vadayi Tho Dadi Jhirmir Yaar Lagayi Tho Dadi Jhirmir Yaar Lagayi Tho Dardan mein tujhe to aahe daya Dardan mein tujhe to aahe daya Bin dardan कीन के पार पया बिन दर्दन कीन के पार पया सूरन जी तू थो नी मिज़मानी सूरन जी तू थो नी मिज़मानी दुख दर्द जो तू पियारी थो पानी दुख दर्द जो तू पियारी थो पानी ॾाढी झिरमिर लगाई थो झिरमिर लगाई थो ॾाढी झिरमिर यार लगाई थो ॾाढी झिरमिर यार लगाई थो सूरन में भिसता वॼाई थो सूरन में भिसता वॼाई थो ॾाढी झिरमिर यार लगाई थो ॾाढी झिरमिर यार लगाई थो पंहिंजन खे पियो तूं पाण कुहाई पंहिंजन खे पियो तूं पाण कुहाई झिरमिर प्यारा पियो थो लॻाई झिरमिर प्यारा पियो थो लॻाई नूरी निमाणी त तो दर आई नूरी निमाणी त तो दर आई वाह वाह बिना न थम बि का वाई ॾाढी झिरमिर लगाई थो झिरमिर लगाई थो ॾाढी झिरमिर यार लगाई थो ॾाढी झिरमिर यार लगाई थो सूरन में भिसता वॼाई थो सूरन में भिसता वॼाई थो ॾाढी झिरमिर यार लगाई 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 थो This one is a Punjabi bhajan dedicated to the, our spiritual masters, to whom we worship, and this is something that's very close to my heart. I love this bhajan. My Punjabi might be wrong at some places because I had heard it only for 2 to 3 times and I just wrote down the lyrics very quickly. And that's the reason there might be, a few words that are not, spoken properly. Again, forgiveness. So yeah, so this is ना करी चरना तो मने दूर तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं प्लीज ना करी चरना तो मने दूर तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं ना करी चरना तो मन दूर तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरे सोहने दर नू छड़ सतगुरु तेरे सोने दर नू छड़ सतगुरु साडा होर ठिकाना नहीं ना करी चरना तो मन दूर तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं नाम दा रंग चढ़ा दे मैनू डूबदा पार लगा दे मैनू नाम दा रंग चढ़ा दे मैनू डूबदा पार लगा दे मैनू पंज चोर जे मगर पवे ते उन्हां कोलों बचा दे मैनू उन्हां कोलों बचा दे मैनू तेरे दर दा मीठा अमृत छड़ के तेरे दर दा मीठा अमृत छड़ के जहर में खाना नहीं ना करी चरना तो मन दूर तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरे सोहने दर नू छड़ सतगुरु तेरे सोने दर नू छड़ सतगुरु साडा होर ठिकाना नहीं ना करी चरना तो मन दूर तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं झूठे जग ने बहुत सताया ताइयों तेरे दर ते आया झूठे जग ने बहुत सताया ताइयों तेरे दर ते आया तेरे दर विच दा कांटा तूइयो साडी रक्षा करना तूइयो साडी रक्षा करना तेरे वाजो मेरे पापी दा तेरे वाजो मेरे पापी दा कोई होर ठिकाना नहीं ना करी चरना तो मन दूर तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरे सोहने दर नू छड़ सतगुर तेरे सोने दर नू छड़ सतगुरु साडा होर ठिकाना नहीं ना करी चरना तो मन दूर तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं छज के जाना नहीं, तेरा दर छज के जाना नहीं। तेरे सोहने दर नू छड़ सतगुरु, तेरे सोहने दर नू छड़ सतगुरु, साडा और ठिकाना नहीं। ना करी चरना तो मने दूर, तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं, तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं, तेरा दर छड़ के जाना नहीं। This one is कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है. I think the only reason we should pray is that, you know, the darkness of our minds is washed away. This entire bhajan has those kind of lyrics that God, please help us that this darkness goes away. We are so lost in so many different kinds of things. I hope I hope this darkness goes away. This is the bhajan. There's this line in this bhajan that says, इतना बता दो मुझे मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ, अब ले चलो मुझको जहाँ संतों का डेरा है. I love, these are my favorite lines from this bhajan. They just mean, it's not just, take me to the saints, around a saint. It's just that take me to a place where there's divine name all around, where there are people who are engaged in chanting, where there are people who are immersed in devotion. So God, please take me to that place. I mean, कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है, जब से तेरी लगन लगी हुआ मन में सवेरा है. कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है, जब से तेरी लगन लगी हुआ मन में सवेरा है. कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है, जब से तेरी लगन लगी हुआ मन में सवेरा है. हरि तुमसे बिछुड़े हुए कई युग बीत गए, हरि तुमसे बिछुड़े हुए कई युग बीत गए. अब आन मिलो प्रीतम मेरे मन में प्यार तेरा है. अब आन मिलो प्रीतम मेरे मन में प्यार तेरा है. कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है. इतना बता दो मुझे मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ, हरि इतना बता दो मुझे मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. अब ले चलो मुझको जहाँ संतों का डेरा है. अब ले चलो मुझको जहाँ संतों का डेरा है। कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है। जब से तेरी लगन लगी हुआ मन में सवेरा है। दर्शन पाए बिना दर से हटेंगे नहीं। दर्शन पाए बिना दर से हटेंगे नहीं। अब हमने डाल दिया तेरे दर पर डेरा है। अब हमने डाल दिया तेरे दर पर डेरा है। जब से तेरी लगन लगी हुआ मन में सवेरा है। जब से तेरी लगन लगी मेरे मन की कलियां खिली। जब से तेरी लगन लगी मेरे मन की कलियां खिली। अब जाग उठी प्रीति हुआ दर्शन तेरा है। अब जाग उठी प्रीति हुआ दर्शन तेरा है। कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है। जब से तेरी लगन लगी हुआ मन में सवेरा है। कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है। कर दो दूर प्रभु मेरे मन में अंधेरा है। This one is Malik Munjo Aahe Mitho Mitho. This is one bhajan that Ravi Bhaiya has been requesting me to sing. I am so sorry. I did attempt and it went very well, but there was some problem in my recording. Just to show you Bhaiya that I did attempt and I did shoot the entire thing, but then there's some problem, so I will upload it. I'll sing it again next time. But just to give you this small glimpse, I'll add this 2 minutes, I guess 1 or 2 minutes of video, so that you just know that your request is on my list first. So this is Malik Munjo Aahe Mitho Mitho. Just a small glimpse. The entire bhajan will be, I'll reshoot it again next time. Thank you so much. Malik Munjo Aahe Mitho Mitho, Malik Munjo Aahe Mitho Mitho. Un जहर सुमो बियो की न ॾिठो, un जहर सुमो बियो की न ॾिठो, की न ॾिठो अहिड़ो दादल मिठो मिठो, की न ॾिठो अहिड़ो दादल मिठो मिठो। मालिक मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो, मालिक मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो, मालिक मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो, दादल मुंहिंजो आहे मिठो मिठो. So this was it. These were three to four bhajans for tonight. Have a safe week ahead. Mostly I will try and meet again on Tuesday with Mantra Jap. Please leave comments below if you really want to join me in this Mantra Jap. Then we can do a session on that. Otherwise, again, Thursday will be again bhajan session. Now there's something that I want to speak about, the premiere thing that we are doing. Premiere meaning we all watch it together. That is called premiere. I shoot it beforehand. It's not live, but then the person who is the host is online, so then you can chat with me in the chat section. You can see the chat. Now there are two things. You can either comment in the chat section or you can comment below. Now if you write your comment in the chat section, it will go away, it will disappear once the premiere is over, but the comments that you write in the comment section will always stay till the video is there on YouTube. So if there is something, if you're talking very general stuff like wishing each other Dada Sham, or if how are you, or something of that sort, we can write in the chat section. But if there's something, if there's special bhajan request or something, please mention it in the comment section, so that even after the shoot is over, the premiere is over, I will go through the comment section, and if there's any special bhajan request, I'll definitely attend that. Also, if there is any bhajan that it's your favorite, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely sing it. If possible, do share the YouTube link, or you can message me on my Facebook. There's so many people over there. You can message me on Instagram at Renu Keval Ramani. So if there's any special bhajan, please share the link with me. I'll definitely practice it and I'll sing it next time. It could be any bhajan in Hindi, Punjabi, Sindhi. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all either on Tuesday following the comment section, or again on Thursday. If Tuesday, it is Mantra Jap session, and if it's Thursday, it will be a bhajan session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.